Shemai! This is a ukulele tutorial for Stay With Me by Sam Smith, and it matches our ukulele play-along video on our Ukuleleans channel, and I'll pop a link in the description below. Right, so let's look at the chords. 3 nice easy chords. It's an A minor, a C, and an F chord. And if you're not sure how to play those, look at the chord charts, because they will tell you which strings and frets to play, and the numbers are your fingers. Okay, so the strum pattern. For most of the song, it's just down, down, up, down, down, up. And it's nice and slow. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so it would actually go down. Alright, so it's once on the A minor, once on the F, and then twice on the C. And that's what it does throughout most of the song. But at the intro, and a couple of other little places, it goes into single strums. Now I'm going to tap my foot for counting, just to make it a little bit easier. So the intro would be down, and it says single strum when to play it. Okay, but whatever you're doing, make it nice and light. And then the general strum, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so let's play through the song. It starts on an A minor chord and there are single strums at the beginning. I'm no singer, so I will be fast forwarding through some of this. Okay, here we go, get yourselves ready. And alright, so we're playing it with the piano. 2, 3, 4. Guess it's true, I'm not good at a one-night stand, but I still need love, 'cause I'm just a man. These nights never seem to go to plan. I don't want you to leave, will you hold my hand? Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see, but darling, stay with me. Why am I? Okay, so you can see the patterns now with the strumming. The chords are the same shape all the way through. Okay. Love, it's clear to see, but darling, stay with me. Oh, as I said, I'm no singer. Okay, get ready to go to single strums. Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. Stay with me. 'Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see, but darling, stay with me. I hope that has helped. Don't forget, there's a matching play along on the Ukuleleans channel. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.